This video will show you how to properly use your hide-a-hose system. Step 1. With the valve in the retractor pull position, pull out the hose. When you have pulled out the amount of hose you want, move the locking mechanism to the vacuum or lock position. Step 2. Attach the cleaning tools. The hose connects directly to the handle. Insert the handle into the adjustable wand and turn the handle until you feel the button click into the lock position. To remove the handle from the wand, press the circle to release the button lock. Step 3. Turn the system on and begin vacuuming. When you're finished, disconnect the handle from the hose. Move the locking mechanism to the retract pull position. While the system is still running, cover the end of the hose with your hand and your central vac system retracts the hose back into the inlet. You can adjust the speed of retraction by taking your hand on and off the hose. Make sure the hose retracts all the way or the door will not close. If you have tall ceilings and the hose wants to slide out of the valve on its own, try retracting the hose and then closing the door with the system running. Closing the door will turn off the switch. If that does not work, ask your dealer for a hose cuff O-ring. The O-ring provides enough friction to hold the hose in place. Be sure to always store the hose in the wall with the locking mechanism in the retract pull position. Storing the hose with the locking mechanism in the vacuum or lock position can cause damage to the valve. Never pull out the hose with the locking mechanism in the vacuum or lock position. This also will damage the valve. Finally, you can turn the system on and off from the switch at the valve. You can also turn the system on and off from the handle if you have an RF handle. However, it is important to understand that if you turn the system on with the switch, it must also be turned off with the switch. Likewise, if you turn it on with the RF handle, you must turn it off with the RF handle.